Did you know that there's a mini Venice in Friuli Venezia Giulia? If you take a walk around the centre of Muggia, you might be in for a surprise. Its narrow streets, little squares and colourful houses create a bit of a maze, just like Venice. This small town on the border between Italy and Slovenia was for a long time part of the Republic of Venice. And you'll find traces of Venice in Muggia's architecture, food and local dialect. There's something else which Muggia and Venice have in common. Carnival. Just like in Venice, the Carnival in Muggia is a much anticipated time of year, and everyone looks forward to the procession of carnival floats. Muggia's inhabitants spend all year building floats in their basements, garages and sheds across the town. And everyone gets involved. Tailors, mechanics, carpenters, blacksmiths and decorators. Making these floats is a massive undertaking, but it's amazing to see them process through the town, not just once a year, but twice. Because in Muggia, there's also a summer carnival, Vogada Mata, where boats decorated like carnival floats sail in procession on the sea. If you love carnival, then Muggia's double celebrations are perfect for you.